Hi, I'm here to give you an update about Derma Roller. Um, I'm on my 19th treatment. After my 19th treatment of Derma Rolling, I have to say that it's been really wonderful. It's been helping me, and if I have to give a percentage, ever since I started, I'd have to say maybe 70% of change has been positive to my skin. No downsides, none whatsoever. I purchased another derma roller. I had a red little $30 derma roller, and then I purchased this one from Dr. Roller, which is $62. It's a lot better. It's a lot more sturdy, and you can feel the difference. It's much better. I don't even remember the name of the other one, but I don't recommend it. I recommend Dr. Roller, and I don't sell it, so you have to go to like the website or something. Another thing that I wanted to report is that I changed creams. I used to, use like a bunch of different little creams every day and every morning. And I changed to this one. I changed to Chanel Ultra Lift Correction. And it's been really good to me. I use it 1 pump a day in the morning. After I wake up in the morning, I take a shower and I put it on my skin and I let it rest and for about 15-20 minutes while I dry my hair. Then I come back and put on my foundation. I use this foundation when my skin is normal. I use this foundation and it's really good. When my skin tends to get too oily, which it changes, it fluctuates, and also depends on the weather, then I begin to use this one. That's the one that I use when I get too oily. That's the one that I use. Oh, but I always keep in mind that I have to microdermabrate 1 day and then 2 days not. So you dermabrate 1 day and then you go 2 days without microdermabrasion and then you do it. But every day I use this moisturizer and it is dramatically different, like it says right there. It leaves your skin dramatically different. There are other things that I have to, if I have to, you know, help you, and if you're looking this for research for your skin, there is one thing that I found out about my skin, and everybody else's too. Well, I think so because I'm helping my mom, my three sisters, and a friend of mine to take care of her skin. And with my steps, they just, I just, they just can't seem to get over how good their skin is changing because everybody has different skin and they do and I do, but I somehow learned to give advice for people who have different types of skin. Now, the one thing that I realized that my little sister had, she had a lot of little pimples. She's just a young 14-year-old. So, what I do is when I get a lot of them, when I break out, I bought this little clay and I try to do it as often as I can. And I'm talking about like once a day. That thing has minerals that helps your skin, okay? And as you put it on, you don't mix it with water, you mix it with lemon juice. When you mix it up with lemon juice, it becomes some sort of a paste. So that paste can work as a microdermabrasion too because the clay is a little bit, like a fine roughness. And I realized that her acne just began to disappear, but she followed my advice. And another thing that I have to emphasize is that we tend to go to a place where they sell all kinds of creams and all kinds of lotions, and they give you this lotion for this and this little water for that, and then there is a 12-step little thing that you have to follow every day, and that's for night. Wait, forget about it. You have to do another 12 steps for morning. And that's the type of stuff that, is just too overwhelming for us. And I realized that myself. I spent hundreds and well, thousands and thousands of dollars looking for, from one little counter to another and Macy's, and I just couldn't find enough places to help me take care of my skin until I realized that I was probably using too many things and my skin was probably too irritated because I was using too many things. So I decided to just microdermabrate, moisturize, and use Chanel. Now I bought another cream, serum, um, from Dior, which is supposed to be really good. I have used it twice only, but I realized that I have to finish what I started with Chanel first. Finish the bottle, finish all the way to where it's gone, and then begin with Dior. But so far, Dior, on the 2.5, almost 3 weeks that I've been wearing it, has been so good. I mean, it doesn't do miracles, but it definitely softens up those little wrinkles that we all, when we get older, get right here when we smile and stuff like that. And it tightens up my skin. It feels fresh all day long, and it lasts all day. So you don't have to worry about it. It's not greasy or anything. Your skin just sucks it all up. And then you put your moisturizer after you put that on. But I've noticed that the shorter my routine it is, the better my results are, because I'm not overwhelming my skin with all kinds of products. So that is my advice to you. Now, I will put some updates on Chanel and some of that foundations that I'm using, so that I can give you kind of an idea of what can you do with your skin when your skin is acting up, when it's oily, when it's in between, or when it's dry and stuff like that. So keep on watching. I will keep on posting. Thank you for waiting.